Hello everybody, this is Zinx and we're back. A lot of people said quite a few things. For instance, it's dark, so I may have to turn it up. Too bright. Hopefully that's better. It actually looks quite a bit better. Shout out to Kayla. I love you, baby. And I guess we'll proceed. Now, where were we? Oh yeah, we should probably build a roof, yeah? Sounds like a good idea. Which means more chopping. Oh yeah, I was going to build it out of wood, wasn't it? No, not wood, stone, even. Alright. Then I'll just cut this tree down. And then we'll go get some stone. Alright. I guess, what? Don't really need anything. Onward. To the depths. Suppose we'll just make our own hole, yeah? Alright. There we go, so from here we will proceed downwards. These are the depths. Oh, come on. Alright. And I've been speaking with a few people and they might actually be wanting to do collaborations with me. Which is, you know, that's good to hear, you know. We'll be able to have more people along on the adventure. You know, the more people, the more excitement. But, I'd like to thank everyone who's been watching the channel, even though I just made it. You know, it helps if, you know, for everyone that's watching this, you know, give it a, you know, thumbs up. You know, it makes me feel good. You know, if I came out wrong, but you get what I'm saying. You know, a subscribe doesn't go astray. And, you know, the more I get, the more I can do. God, that's so dark. Apologies. But I don't really... Oh yeah, I keep forgetting about the bloody charcoal. I suppose I just have to make it out of wood for now. Oh, I did get a decent amount of stone. However, I need to use a bit for bloody furnace. Alright, we'll see what we can do. No pole? Oh. Come on. There we go. It's only an itty bitty house, but you know what I'm saying, you know, it's keeps the skellies out and blah 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 blah. Beautiful. We don't really have very much, so yeah, that's annoying. Oh, I was trying to pick up some wood by a little bit. Oh yeah, that was it. Oh, now I'll grab a little bit more. Everything we need. I'll just grab a few. Oh, I don't have a bed too either. Oh, that's annoying. Oh, I suppose we dig the night away, you know what I mean? Alright. It's bloody dark now. To you too. Oh, it's dark. Beautiful. Just in case. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't remember if you can make stairs out of wood. Oh, you can make stairs out of wood. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Alright. Now, hello. Putting down torches and shit. Beautiful. That looks quite nice. You know, eventually, you know, put them up there. It's looking better already. Actually, I might. Yeah. I don't have any iron or anything. So I won't get. Oh, it's so dark. However, we can dig like I said. You know? That's a good thing. We'll just line it up so we know exactly where all the shit is. Beautiful. You can see. You can see. Alright. And you know, if anyone's starting that on YouTube, you know, just, you know, contact me, you know, we'll do a collaboration or something, you know what I'm saying? I like to think that I'm pretty approachable, you know what I'm saying? Like, do I have 3 wood, do I? Can I make another one? Not just enough. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright. We will venture back down to the depths of hell. Alright. I should probably widen this. Yeah, I know it's not the most thrilling thing to look at, but you know, get somewhere. Aha! Beautiful, I need that. Beautiful. Right. Right, how's everyone doing out there? You know, what he's into, what he's like, you know. I actually just finished the new 6th season of True Blood. It's actually pretty good. I quite liked it to the other ones. You know? Beautiful iron, lovely. More iron. Alright. Oh, more iron. Sexy. Sexy iron. Come here. Come here. Alright. Venture bit further. I wonder if we hit lava. I don't think it's daytime yet, which is really annoying. It's very dark outside. It's cold outside on the rain. Alright. Is that? Oh, I thought the bedrock for a second. I'm like, already? Yeah, I like this coal. I like all this coal. Beautiful, beautiful. I do like the new XP thing for mining. I do mine a lot, and I do, you know, I build with the materials and whatnot, and I quite like how I don't need to always fight. That's a plus. You bat. Oh, I think I just got it. Where's this bloody bat? Yeah, batty. Oh, I didn't like that. I don't know what that was. So many irons. Oh, here we go. Now things are interesting. Oh, we found a crevice. Crevice, people. Alright. Remember what I taught you. You don't remember anything? Good, let's go. It's not as exciting as I thought it would be. Let's just start. Alright. More iron. Which is good.